Fun facts about food. 1. Did you know? Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. 2. Did you know? There are over 7,500 varieties of apples grown worldwide, each with its own unique flavor, texture, and color. 3. Did you know? Cashews grow outside of a fruit called the cashew apple. The nut is found attached to the bottom of the fruit. 4. Did you know? The world's most expensive coffee, called Kopi Luwak, is made from coffee beans that have been eaten and excreted by a civet, a small mammal. 5. Did you know? The spiciness of chili peppers is measured using the Scoville heat scale, with the Carolina Reaper currently holding the record for the world's hottest pepper. 6. Did you know? Chocolate was once used as currency. The ancient Maya and Aztec civilizations used cacao beans as a form of money. 7. Did you know? The distinctive smell of freshly baked bread has been found to have a calming effect on the brain and can improve your mood. 8. Did you know? Bananas are berries, while strawberries aren't. Botanically speaking, bananas meet the criteria for being berries, while strawberries do not. 9. Did you know? The world's largest pizza was made in 2012 in Rome, Italy, and measured over 13,580 square feet. It required 19,800 pounds of flour, 10,000 pounds of tomato sauce, and 8,800 pounds of mozzarella cheese. 10. Did you know? Carrots were originally purple, not orange. The orange variety we commonly eat today was developed in the Netherlands as a tribute to the Dutch royal family. 11. Did you know? There's a pineapple plant that produces multiple fruits. Pineapples are a group of berries that fuse together around a central core. 12. Did you know? The most popular fruit in the world is the banana, followed closely by the tomato, which is botanically a fruit but often treated as a vegetable.